Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to deep dive on the Microsoft Fabric Copilot in Microsoft Power BI. So today we are going to navigate the details and try to understand where should I see this kind of options. But let's start with that. So you know that whenever you're going to enter into this subscription, so we have a trial free. You can click here. I'll paste the link in video description so that you can get this option. And the last updated this preview has been extended to August 23. So still free part no, but yeah, you can say testing prospect. They have been free subscription. You can utilize that. If you don't know the subscription part, so I have a previous video. I'll put the link in playlist. We have available in the series 1. This is second series and second video, so you can understand. This is the has been considered massive amount of data apps, and they integrated with the multiple we can say technologies together. So I'll let you know one by one. So here harnessing value data provide challenging solid data get out this synchronization. Inconsistent data could be lead ingesting costs, so poor quality sabotage new model AI model. So like they introduces the Copilot, and they have provided really unbelievable. So talk about Power BI, Azure, Data Factory, Data One Lake. So this platform is going to help you by the Synapse Data Scientist, Synapse Data Engineer, Azure Data Factory. So let's see the one by one name here. So Microsoft provide the block view. So Data Factory announcement, where with Data Factory Fabric, organizations can unify the hybrid multi-cloud data states and unlock with the value data ingestion. So experience, like suppose Microsoft provide the option in Power Query so that you can create the we can say Power Query scale your information, and Data Factory currently in preview. But yeah, you can use directly in Power Query by taking less time and less effort. Definitely it help you. Data Factory, where save the data, I mean, where to store your data, that is called Data Factory. Like we have a live data, and we have a Data Factory. So whatever duration we have, data move to the backend, so that if needed, then we can track it. So that data also, that is called Data Factory. Data engineering, obviously the person who's engineering with the data, so maybe generate data, you can say that. So they also use it. Next generation simple data engineering and Fabric, empowering data engineering to put class Spark and platform. Great authority experience can help transform data and scale democratize and data through the lakehouse with crops effectively. Currently in preview. And Synapse Data Engineering is totally linked with the One Lake, where you can modify, we can scale your data as per transform your data, so we can manage effectively with the data lake. Synapse Data Warehouse, Synapse Data Scientist, Synapse Real-Time Announcement Block, Data Activator. So Data Activator is a basic AI, you can say the basic human automation part, so that integrated already. And One Lake, that its work look like a OneDrive. So One Lake is a OneDrive for the data. It complete the rich enterprises. One Lake provide the SaaS services. One Lake in the core of the Fabric Lake center approach currently in preview. So still is in preview. So next generation AI would be definitely is going to help you while preparing the report, and also other modification like we can using One Lake data, you can create a direct lake mode, and also can create a new Power BI data set, confirm that, create a new reports. You also could use the tables and all. You can customization also possible. And then you can use this PBX project also, and it is provide to end-to-end governance across the Fabric. So that's the best part. It is governance, obviously governance, that every company organization have their own governance policy, so that we can implement it like SaaS platform, Data Factory, Power BI. So that kind of thing was possible. If you wanted to learn more, you can go this link. Innovation template capacity specific purchase managing analysis project. So that is also computing capacity available into it. So enabling the Fabric Power BI tenant. So how do you enable this? So go to tenant setting and see, except this one. So capacity Fabric preview. So you can see this option. But yeah, say you need to at least tenants access, then start trial, and you can get it done. Get it done. So this is the feature that we have. So let's go to show you where should I see this option. So I told you that click on free trial, and after that once you click on free trial, since I have already account, so it doesn't matter for me. So see here, every option is same, only one link is added here. So you can see that it is allowed to create the data flow and all. So this is the one lake data flow that it is going to help us while building the data set. So concept is same, totally same concept, and also it is allow you to customize your data and all. Transformation also same Power Query does. So same also you have option here too. So if you want to change the Power BI to data factory, so you can switch it here too automatically by clicking this option. We have pipeline and data generator, so these kind of option available. So you can start building your we can say information and data activator. You know the reflex and reflex preview. So that kind of option there. We will shortly learn the more data engineering part. Then we have the, see, these are the options like notepad, import, data pipeline, spark, job definition, preview, note, this kind of option there. Next we have the data warehouse. Then we have the real-time data analysis. Yeah, real-time is data great because Power BI like very biggest concern of the we can say real-time data. So that is going to solve a separate option. So I really like this option. So you can see all options there one by one, but by default you can select this, and also you can click here Microsoft Fabric. So see this option directly, that these kind of options we have in the Power BI. And I really say that Power BI is a reporting part, data factory, ETL processing, data activator is kind of automation adoption part, and data engineering, data scientist, and data warehouse, and data real time. But real time data is a great process because if you are looking for the live data and real time information, so that will to help you. So these are of the, we can say, options already Microsoft introduced and implemented, and few are a preview. So you can almost option is preview, and shortly we will once everything is looks good, then we can go ahead and process. So for to activate this, we need to go to the, you must have the admin tenant access. Since I'm account manager of ICE, so definitely I don't have any problem. So go to the admin portal, find out the new tenant Fabric, click here. I already enabled that for entire organization since I'm enable disable too. Yeah, let's check this option so that it will appear and check with the capacity. So let's see for trial. So trial I have this one, say this activated now. Trial I have Fabric capacity purchase, and I think I have to purchase that, then I can get this option. So this is the feature that you have, so you can enable that. Any question, and if you have any question, any suggestion, any we can say new that you wanted to we can say wanted to contribute it, so just let me know, comment please, and